Hello everyone. Hi. So, I'm with the four puppies and I'm gonna introduce to you each one of them. So, first, this is the um the ano. Okay, so this is the only girl in the pack. So this is Star. Yeah. If you want to prove that she's a girl, look at that. so so that's the first one. The second one is we have our okay, we have this is Oreo. Yeah, the puppy with the black and white one. He don't have brown among the rest. This is Oreo. Say hello, Oreo. This is Boy. As you can see, yeah.
Yan ang penis.
Yes, a penis. And this is the camera pala. Okay. Okay, the third one. Ne. The third one, this is Waffle. Yeah. Ne. By the way, this star is for Kuya Tet, Papa Tet. Yeah. And then Oreo is for Kicker.
That's me.
He loves black and white kasi like her
It's
mother.
my dog.
Yeah. So Oreo is for Kicker only. Right?
No one should take him from me.
You go here. And the third one is Waffle. Waffle is for... Let me hear...
Lola test.
Okay, Waffle. Waffle is a boy. Yeah.
He has a
Yeah,
big
look at that.
penis.
Yeah, he looks like her. He looks like his father, Dodong. Dodong. He looks like his father, Dodong. Waffle is for only for Morissette. She don't want to give this to anybody else. Yeah, look at her. Look at his face. We're planning to give it to other people, but you know, she is getting tantrums. Say hi, Waffle. Hello. Okay, the last one, the smallest one, but now he's the bigger one, I guess. Yeah, this is mine. His name is Creamer. It's temporary. Okay. Yeah, he's a boy also. Okay. Look at that face. He's so cute, right?
He's a coffee creamer.
He's a coffee creamer. Look at that. I think he's gonna look like his father na.
Coffee creamer.
Come here, Kurt. You go.
Coffee creamer.
My nipple is getting... Say hi, everyone. sabi ni Star, edi wow.
Wow.
Hey, come here, Star. Come here.
Go get your mother.
Huh?
Your father.
Go get your mother. Okay.
Where's your father?
Where's your father? Father.
Go get your father also. Where's your father?
Wow. Wow, nalaglag. Where's your mother? Go get your mother. Go.
Your mother and father.
Yarn.
Mother, father.
Tulog kasi sila kanina, tapos kinuha ko lang. Yan.
Oh, there is the mother. There you go.
There you go.
It's
That's
very
the mother.
lazy.
She's very lazy right now.
He's very lazy. Saving his
'Cause
energy
he's-
for breastfeeding.
Look at that. Ayan.
For breastfeeding.
Sabihin na namin, anong ginagawa niyo sa anak ko? It's time for milk.
Milkies.
It's time for milk. Napilitan siya. Ayan na sila. Gutom na. Say hi, Kikert.
Hello.
Wala si Marga tsaka si Motet dito. Pumunta silang Marinduque with Kuya TJ.
Hello.
Ah, look at that. Gutom na gutom. Grabe yung pagod ka ka-vlog. Okay, that's it everyone. Bye-bye. Naging vlogger bigla.